So I mean, I have a lot to say and I'm speechless at the same time. So it is very confusing. कि क्या बात करे. So originally I am from Bihar and I have always lived my life in Delhi. Currently I am in Rishikesh. So my journey started from my yoga journey actually started in my school age. So जैसे नूतन मैम ने बोला ना कि the parents they she studied in hostel and parents took that decision. The same decision was taken by my parents and they were like इसको दूर रखते हैं वही पढ़ाते हैं और ज्यादा माँ बाप का प्यार नहीं देंगे नहीं तो बच्चे बिगड़ेंगे. So that happened and so I was in the hostel. My hostel was very a spiritual one and I started my yoga journey there. And after coming to the real world everything just vanished. जो भी स्कूल में सीखा वो धीरे धीरे सब चला गया. And then last year, thank God, due to lockdown I lost my job and then I started thinking about reconnecting with it again. And I did a lot of things. I was always a little health conscious person. Diet, activity, something or the other used to happen. So I did gymming, I did marathons, a lot of those things, but nothing resonated to me like yoga did. So this year I told my husband that, oh, I want to go to Rishikesh. It is World Yoga Capital and I want to learn yoga there and I want to do this. Even if I'm not going to teach anybody, at least it is for me and, people around us, because everybody is suffering from something or the other. So we came here, started doing this. And then after I completed my course here, I started talking to my female friends mostly, so that, I wanted to start just giving them classes and see what have I learned and what are the problems people are facing. And especially female friends, when I started talking to them, I realized each one of them has one or the other problem, reproductive health related problem. My own sister, she's suffering from Cushing syndrome. There's a friend of mine, I've referred Nutan ma'am also, like those two people are going to call her. So she has recently gone through laparoscopy, a minor surgery. There's a cousin of mine, she's 19 years old and she's not getting her periods for past 3-4 years. She has to take medication if she wants for regular periods. If she's not taking medication, periods are not there. So a sister-in-law of mine, she's 16 years old again, and she has some prolactin hormone disorder, and she's also not her periods and reproductive health is not good. So everybody I was talking to was suffering from something or the other, or they didn't know about what to do. That's when I thought I should do this course. And, even I am at a stage where we've been thinking to conceive and how to go about having a baby. And I have no idea. I said, I don't want to raise how our parents did. कि हाँ मतलब बच्चे हो गए and they had मतलब our parents probably had not much idea. I think जितना हमारे grandparents को पता था, our parents have somehow lost that knowledge. So अब बहुत westernization में चला गया था. So then I started, and luckily I was doing yoga with Ekta last year we started. Even I was diagnosed with PCOD and I started doing it with her. She was my senior from school. In her Instagram, I saw ma'am's post, and sitting in Rishikesh, I couldn't find a good prenatal, postnatal yoga teacher, school, ashram, anything. I'm here for the past 4-5 months. And then I decided it's okay. I wanted to do it physically, but then I thought it's okay. I mean, I need a good teacher. I need a good school. And if Ekta is done from here and if she's recommending, it must be good because I trust her blindly. So that's when I connected to ma'am, and I'm really, really grateful that I did this. So the entire thing, we are sitting in Rishikesh and it's just one room. We've rented a place. So my husband is also sitting beside me all the time. He's working and I'm doing this. So even he says, oh my God, where did you find her? She is such a bank of knowledge. She is an ocean. I'm like, yes, and we are just the drop there. So even he's like, he started sitting with me and he started listening to it, and he also got fascinated with all those things. And now that we were not thinking, or we were a little skeptical कि करना है नहीं करना है, lifestyle is going like this. I mean, जो मैम ही बोलते हैं कि आजकल तो एक बच्चा भी लोग करने में डर रहे हैं, और we are going through the similar phase. I am not sure, I don't know. So like she said that there are kids who are born with female child, they are born with PCOD, PCOS if the mother has. So of course, I mean, I don't want that if I'm bringing a child in the world, she or he already has a disorder, something that that is because of us, our lifestyle. So we really wanted to know this and understand, and then now talking to people, understanding, and ये चीज समझ में आ रही है कि there are many like us, many who needs this help, who the knowledge has been lost in between, and there are not a lot of people जो कि इसको जाके आगे बता सकते हैं, समझा सकते हैं. So जिसको भी मैं अभी बता रही हूँ that I'm doing this, whosoever is connecting with me, they are all willingly, like I'm telling them ki, oh, I'm not prepared right now to teach, I will take some time. They're telling me, no, 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 you start, we will ask you questions, then you go back, you read, or you ask your teacher. And they are forcing me that you start because they don't know where to go. So it was really amazing, it was really profound that I connected here. And this was this course has changed me, changed my mindset, and a lot of my perspective through which I used to see life earlier. I mean, just one part, just one thing, pregnancy or sexual, this thing. So I read yesterday that in Ayurveda, there are three stambha: diet, sleep, and sexuality. So these three things are, they are so important. And there are so many other things that we are looking after, but जो सबसे important चीज़ है, उसको हम भूल जाते हैं. So lastly, I would just say कि I'm so glad that I connected with you, ma'am, और मैं आपको पकड़ के रखने वाली हूँ. I mean, I'm going to hold on to you. I'm not going anywhere. That I'm very sure of. I'm not sure of others, but I'm going to come to you. So we are planning to have a baby, my husband and me, and I'm sure I'm definitely going to come to you for all the guidance and anything that is going to require. Yes.